Hey Luke, it's Mrs. Lamphere. I just wanted to throw this recording together to kind of show you exactly what I'm seeing with your web page submission. So here's your files open in Blue Griffin. So you'll see on your index page, like your image is not coming through, your infant pages, preschool ages, elementary is, middle school is not, and current file is not. So if we take a look at the source code and the ones that are not showing up, here's where I think you went wrong. So you'll see here's where our image tag starts. And when we get to, style, whatever, width, alt text, that's all fine. But it's this source where it looks like you're backing out of a couple folders, going into a pictures folder, and then grabbing an image. So you'll notice a difference between that source code and the code on a picture that actually did come through. If we go look at that source code, which is right here, here's your image tag. This is simply telling me to go inside my images folder and grabbing that picture. So it looks like you're either navigating to a different folder that you did not include in your Unit 6 folder submission, because all your folders should be, or all your images should be saved within your Unit 6 images folder. And I'm not seeing this one that you're referring to in your Unit 6 folder. So that's probably a reason that's not showing up. Because same with all of these, the ones where the images do show up, I can see within the source code exactly where it's going inside your images folder to grab that particular image. And then on these ones where it's not coming through, you show again that you're backing out of several folders, going into a pictures folder, and again I don't have, you just didn't include it then in your submission. So I would suggest moving those pictures that you're using into your Unit 6 images folder, and then kind of replacing them on your page. What was it? Another thing you want to make sure you're doing. Oh, and I was going to say the reason you can see it on your end is because since you placed that image and you have that folder on your computer, it can navigate to the correct folder that it needs to get to. But since, again, I don't have access to that folder, so those images are not showing up for me. Another thing you'll want to make sure to do is when you do insert an image, make sure, so say we're going to place this high school student one here. Another thing that has thrown off some kids is making sure that this checkbox is also checked. Otherwise you get kind of a funky file path there. So you'll just want to replace those index, middle school, and current file images, because those are the only ones that aren't coming through. And again, just make sure that you have the image saved inside your Unit 6 images folder and placing them from there. And then in terms of your question regarding the color consistency, yes. So that was something, and that's kind of just a risk you take with not attending Class Connects. But yeah, we definitely talked about consistency of color and making it consistent on your pages, meaning that you're using the same colors on each page and in the same way. That's what we mean when we refer to consistency. So make sure that matches on all your pages and replace those images, and then get this resubmitted and you should be good to go.